see if it's ready. So I think this would be needing another few minutes or so. Ooh, I almost forgot about this one. How dare me? Look at that. Okay, so you see how that looks nice and goldenish? Now I'm gonna add a little bit of oil, just a little bit. There. Okay. Gives it a nice coaty shine, a nice shiny coat. Yeah, look at that. And again, it smells good. Guys, I don't have parsley or cilantro, so as I said, when you're cooking, you cook with what you have. Okay? I'm gonna add the rice to it. Again, this is rice I had left over from yesterday, guys. Just press it out because it was in the fridge. So if you ever have leftovers and you don't know what to do with it, you could do this with it. And you can make a new meal out of that rice. You don't have to eat it white by itself. Just, mix it up a little bit. If you want, you could even put some coconut milk in there and let it do a little bit of magic. Okay? Mix it up really good. Press out the rice so that you don't have clumps. That tends to happen when you put rice in the fridge, guys. If you cook, you know. You know what I'm talking about. So don't act like you're all like bougie or nothing, because I ain't bougie. Just smash it out like that. And I'm gonna add a little bit of coconut milk to it. Wow, doesn't that look beautiful, guys? What? You think I'm playing? I'm not playing. Yeah, look at that. Woo! That looks good. Okay. So, coconut milk on its way. Coconut milk. For those of you who don't know what coconut milk is, I get mine in a pack. If you want to, you could get it in the can. And I already poured it out in here. So I'm gonna just use, guys, every dish is important, so. Don't tell me that you won't fight it. I know you do. So that's like about quarter cup. Add some water to it. Just mix it up like that. Oops. Ah, so messy. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please like the channel, leave a comment, say something. Don't be strangers. I'm not a stranger. I know it's late, guys. I know. Just keep up with me for a few more minutes, and then I promise you, you're gonna like the outcome. So once you mix up your coconut milk like this, see, it's just like that. That looks good, doesn't it? So I'm gonna add it to the rice. Look at the chicken. The chicken's doing magic in there. Woo! Yes, that's the sound I'm looking for. There we go. Now that's gonna taste nice and creamy, guys. I didn't put too much because I didn't want it to be too wet. Just wet enough, and it's gonna dry down a little bit. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. Guys, you can add coconut milk to almost anything that you're making, eh? Like there is no exceptions to it. It's just one of the specialties of being in the kitchen and cooking and creating, and you know, that's part of it. And yes, I like to bang my pots. This is the chicken. Look at that. Doesn't that look nice? Okay, so you see how it's caramelizing a little bit? Because I know it needs a little bit more time to cook, even though it's looked beautiful, I'm still going to add a touch of water to it. Another lot.